So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track your order on Temu. So first of all, open up the app. From here, you will just need to sign in using your email and password. Once signed in, you can see at the bottom home, categories, you and your card. You can see the search bar at the top part of the page. Now through here, you can track your order by going to the you part of the page, and you can see your username, the settings, your orders, messages, reviews, history, win reward, addresses, and following. I suggest you go to your orders. Now through here you can see all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Now if you wish to follow or track your order, I suggest you want to go to shipped. Once you do have shipped orders on here, you can just go to the order you want to track and click the track button next to your order to get a direct link to your shipping information. Now this means that depending on the service which is bringing you your package, you will get the specific link that is connected to that order, and through there you can track it where it is in the world, and you will have a better sense of when it's going to get to you. So it's quite important. You can go to here as I explained earlier and just click on the track option, and you can see here self-service to find orders, so you can even go to their customer service and support so you can get to that tracking number if you don't have it right here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.